Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Going to do another tile. A couple things I want to try here. One is I'm going to do a black tile, and I want to see how the new laser's all set up and working. I also want to try out the new video camera and see how that records the burning. So let's take a quick look at what I have set up in LightBurn. Within LightBurn, I've got this little yin-yang cat thing, and I'm going to make a coaster out of it. So I just started with my 108mm rectangle or square, and I plopped this in here. Now, since we're doing a black tile, that means that anywhere that is colored in is actually going to be white, because that burns away the paint and then we see the white tile. So we come over here to the settings and get the cutting parameters pulled up here. Okay, take a quick look at those. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting at 800 millimeters per minute at 100% power. So we're going to do that, and then we'll have a little bit of an overlap. So we'll have a 2 millimeter overscan so that it hopefully doesn't do too much goofiness. And we're running at a high resolution, basically 350 lines per inch, which is kind of high, and we're doing a vertical scan. So that's what we're going to do. One other setting that I want to do, since we're doing a slower burn, what I want to do is I want to turn this parameter off. This is the fast white space scan. What that would normally do is anywhere there's white space, the controller wants to then move at this 10,000 millimeters per minute, which is a huge change from the 800 millimeters per minute that we're burning at. So I'm just going to shut that off. Now that will increase our burn time, so what are we going to be at? This says it's going to be 2.5 hours, so this is going to be a longer one. We'll see how it goes. One of the things we want to try here as well is if the fumes are coming out, and they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the plexiglass in front here. Hopefully that doesn't affect what we're seeing here too much. Oh, and this camera doesn't want to focus on that, does it? Well, that really cleaned it up well. Still a little dirty around the black tail there. But wow, what a difference. So what's the conclusion to this experiment? I still need to work on my parameters a little bit on that black tile. I had to make 2 passes. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do it all in 1 pass or not. So maybe a faster first pass and a fast second pass will do just as well as a really slow first pass and a fast second pass. We'll see. As for the video camera, that's going back. Yeah, it didn't work real well, and some of the functionality that was supposed to be in the camera, according to the manual and according to the ad for the camera, wasn't there in the menu. So it's going back. And we've ordered a new camera, which has already come. So we'll be doing some more camera experiments.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.